Pharmacy. This is Pascal speaking. How may I help you?
Afternoon, my name is Jessica. Will you like to ask for information about medicine for headaches? Will you help me?
Of course, Ms. Gadis. Thank you for the information to provide accurate guidance. May I ask how old you are? And I would also like to confirm with her you have any drug allergies or are currently taking any medication.
I am 18 years old and I don't have any drugs allergies and I'm not taking any medication at the moment.
Alright, Ms. Degarista, thank you for the clarification. For more complete medical information, I will transfer this call to our pharmacy, Ms. Mariana. Please hold for a moment. Excuse me, Ms. Mariana. There is a patient who wants to consult about medication.
Good afternoon, Ms. Kaliska. I am Mariana, the pharmacist on duty today. I received information that you wanted to ask about medication for headache. Is that correct?
That's correct, ma'am. I would like to know which medication is safe to take and how to use it.
Certainly, Ms. Kaliska. For mild headache, the commonly recommended medication is paracetamol 500 milligrams. It might be taken 3 to 4 times a day after meals with a maximum daily dose of 4,000 milligrams. If the headache does not improve within 48 to 72 hours, it is feasible to seek further evaluation from a healthcare professional.
I understand. Does paracetamol have any side effects?
Paracetamol is generally safe when taken according to the recommended dosage. Side effects are rare. However, caution is advised for individuals with their liver conditions or those who frequently consume alcohol. It is important not to exceed the daily dose limit.
Thank you very much for the clear explanation.
You're welcome, Ms. Gariska. If you need further medication, information, or assistance with pharmacy service, please feel free to contact us again. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.